I may have to put these together. I don't know. But anyway, heard something chip, and I don't know what it was. Okay. June 1940, I guess, erected the tower and stuff up there. Rock hawk, yeah, Putnam County, you got a rock hawk, rock eagle, and a rock snake. Now the rock snake we don't have access to. I think that's on a power line access or something. I've never seen the rock snake. The rock hawk is not as good as the rock eagle either. They don't have a picture of the rock snake. Where is it? You would think they'd have a picture of the rock snake. Yeah, see, the rock hawk, you can't tell nearly as. I think it was probably vandalized more, people getting stuff off of it. 2,000 years ago by Native Americans of the area. Our estimates vary substantially. Okay. That's the rock hawk there. If we get to it, like I said, I'm going to run this Insta360 up so that, okay, 1954 excavation at Rock Eagle Effigy did not reveal significant results. Note the viewing tower in the background. I don't know what they're up to there. Okay, let's walk up through here and let's get us to, we'll go up that tower too unless it's locked. Y'all will be able to see this a whole lot better, but you won't be able to hear me. Absolutely beautiful day. Mid to high 50s, going to high 30s tonight. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Yeah, see, normally you can't get a good shot until you get up in the tower. And there's the lake down there. We will drive around to the Founders Lodge and the 4-H. I really don't know anything about them. I don't think there's camping here. I don't think this is a state park. I think this is 4-H. Earth mover, loader, bulldozer over there. What's flying over? It'd be interesting. It'd be great if it's an eagle, wouldn't it? I suspect it's a vulture. Doing this. Okay, look, old mill stones. Okay, let's let this down. Okay, we're going to go up in the tower. guess the GoPro Black 10 is still recording. That may have been what we heard cut off a while ago. Or chirp or whatever it did. Well, I said with this Insta360 camera, should be able to see the eagle much better. Boy, the sun's right on us, isn't it? Coming through that window opening. The lake. Okay, we're going to run this up. Gives you a much better picture of the effigy. Okay, we're going to turn both of these off, get a couple of still photos. Okay, coming out of the Uncle Remus Museum back into downtown Eatonton. We'll go around the courthouse. We may stop and get out. We want to see if we can find the depot, wherever it is, see if we can find a train or a locomotive. Again, this is the Previo, whatever how you pronounce it. 4-channel, front, back, left, and right side. U.S. Highway 441, 129. I checked a while ago. I said the population of Eatonton was 1579, I think, and the elevation was 515. I think a while ago I looked when we came in, it said it was founded in 1802, I believe. I say we record at 1920 by 1080 full HD. We could turn here, catch that side street. That's what we're going to do, and then go up around the courthouse. Not sit here in this traffic. I don't guess y'all want to sit in that traffic. I don't. We have just come out of the Uncle Remus Museum. Let's go down one more block, or do we want to turn and go right into the courthouse? Go ahead. We don't know where we're going. Let's go down one more block. Dandelions are blooming. That may stimulate the bees to start coming out a little bit. It may be a little early for them, but look at all the dandelions. Frank's got a duplex beehive. Mine's just a little. I ordered mine pre-put together and everything. He's built his, and I've joined a beekeeping, like a little thing to learn how to do the beekeeping. Don't know when we're going to meet yet. When we come back, we're going to go right straight across down through there, Georgia 44 east, Georgia 16. We're going to get caught at a couple of lights, aren't we?